Inside the factory, my life in production. Hi. My name is Lucas Silva, I'm 37 years old, and I live in Campinas, Brazil. I work as a production supervisor at a mid-sized factory that makes household appliances, like refrigerators, washing machines, and microwaves. When people hear the word factory, they often imagine noise, heavy machines, or workers covered in oil. And yes, sometimes it's exactly like that. But there's so much more behind it. Today, I want to tell you what it's really like to spend your days inside the world of industrial production, the routines, the problems, the teamwork, and the satisfaction when things run smoothly. 1. How I started in manufacturing. When I finished high school, I didn't know what I wanted to do. My uncle worked at a large automobile plant, so he suggested I try a job there as a trainee. I started as a machine operator on the assembly line. I learned how to check parts, tighten screws, and follow safety rules. I wore a uniform, helmet, gloves, everything necessary to protect myself. At first, the work felt repetitive. But over time, I saw the beauty in it, hundreds of people, each doing their part, making something bigger together. 2. Climbing the ladder. After 2 years, I decided to study industrial engineering at night while working during the day. My supervisors noticed my interest and gave me more responsibilities. I started helping with quality control, monitoring the production targets, and checking the inventory in the warehouse. When I finished my degree, I got promoted to production supervisor. Now, I don't just operate machines, I help manage people, processes, and deadlines. 3. A day in the life. My workday starts early, usually at 6 a.m. I put on my uniform and safety boots, grab my helmet, and enter the factory floor. The first thing I do is check the production plan for the day. How many units must we produce? Are we on schedule? Do we have enough raw materials in stock? Any machines that need maintenance? After that, I meet with my team leaders to discuss our shifts, tasks, and safety checks. Clear communication is key. One small mistake on the line can stop the entire chain. 4. The assembly line. Our assembly line is like a giant puzzle. Each worker adds or checks something. Some install parts, others run tests, some pack the finished products. Everything must move at the right speed, not too slow, not too fast. When we meet our production goals for the shift, there's a sense of pride. When we don't, we need to find out why. Was there a problem with logistics? Did a machine break? Did a part arrive late from a supplier? 5. Quality control. One of my main tasks is to ensure quality standards. We do regular inspections to check if parts meet the specifications. If we find a defect, we stop the line, investigate the cause, and fix it. Sending a defective product to the customer is not acceptable. Sometimes, we run audits where teams check samples from random batches. It keeps everyone careful and focused. 6. Challenges on the floor. Working in production is not always easy. There are common challenges. Machine breakdowns. If one part of the line stops, everything else can stop too. Supply chain delays. If raw materials arrive late, we can't produce. Human mistakes. Even with training, people get tired or distracted. Safety issues. Accidents can happen if someone doesn't follow the rules. That's why we have training sessions, safety drills, and daily meetings to prevent problems. 7. Embracing automation. When I started, many tasks were done manually. Now, more and more machines are automated. We have robots that weld, pack, or move heavy materials. Automation makes things faster and safer, but it also means workers must learn new skills to operate or fix these machines. I spend part of my time helping my team adapt to new technology. Change can be scary, but it's also exciting. 8. Working with the supply chain. Our factory doesn't work alone, we depend on a big supply chain. Raw materials come from suppliers, finished products go to warehouses, then to stores and customers. If one link is weak, everyone feels it. I often talk with the logistics team, the purchasing department, and the transportation companies to coordinate deliveries and avoid delays. 9. Sustainability matters. These days, customers care about how products are made. We try to reduce waste, recycle materials, and use energy efficiently. For example, we installed solar panels on the roof. We also collect metal scraps and reuse them. Little by little, the factory becomes greener. 10. The people behind the machines. People often forget that behind every machine is a person, or many people. In my team, we have operators, technicians, engineers, cleaners, warehouse staff. Each role is important. We celebrate birthdays together, eat lunch in the cafeteria, and sometimes organize team-building activities like football matches or barbecues. A strong team spirit makes the production line stronger too. 11. My favorite part. My favorite part of the job is seeing a product finished and ready to ship. I always imagine a family opening a new refrigerator or microwave, something I helped create. It reminds me that my work has value beyond the factory gates. 12. My dream for the future. I hope to keep learning. Maybe one day I'll become a production manager, responsible for the entire plant. Or maybe I'll help design better, more sustainable factories. Who knows? The industry changes fast, and I'm ready to change with it. 13. What about you? Maybe you've never thought about who makes the things you use every day. But next time you open your fridge, start your car, or use your washing machine, remember, somewhere, a team of people worked hard to build it. And I promise you, no 2 days are ever the same. Thanks for reading my story from the inside of the factory.